much as, yes, we're at a funding summit, we want to talk about getting money, we want to talk about access to markets, access to capital. But remember, you can't get access to money or capital if you kind of don't have a very solid business. Let's just be honest. So you have to be fundable first. But how do you get there? I would advise you guys as founders, as guys that are leading your organizations, speak to your teams. Invest in BDSM. So when you go home, when you go to the office, if you are married, speak to your husband or wife and say, you know what, I think I want to specialize in BDSM going forward. When you speak to someone who deals with sales or marketing or someone who deals with operations, speak to them and say, guys, listen, let's go into the boardroom, lock the door, let's talk about BDSM, right? Because remember, those three elements, spend a third in a month, in a week, in a day. A third of your time, spend it doing business development. What is business development? You guys being here. You are here because you want to grow your business. You want to develop your business. So as you guys are here, network amongst each other, find ways to collaborate, find a way that you can basically partner to help your business grow, to develop your business. So spend a third of your time focusing on business development. And of course, the most important one, money, sales. Without sales, there is no business, right? So also spend a third of your time doing sales. I know sales is annoying, it's frustrating, it's a very daunting task, but pick up the phone, man, call. Send those emails. Invest in someone who specializes in sales. Because remember, without money, without sales, without revenue, you have no business. So spend a third of your time as well pushing sales. But how do you get the sales? Marketing. Like Sheldon said, most of you guys know Legends Baba through social media. So marketing. Use social media to reach your potential clients. There's never been a time where businesses can grow and scale to 0 to 1 million followers without even spending a cent on billboards. So we're no longer in the traditional time where you have to have billboards, be on TV and doing commercials. You can literally save and spend a fraction of the costs that it would cost you to do traditional media and advertising by just utilizing social media. There's MailChimp for marketing campaigns. Social media platforms all across LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok now is a big thing. So utilize those social media platforms to help market your business.